YouTube. Here's part one. I'm making a 36 by 40 epoxy resin countertop for my island. Just taking the level here, clamped it down, cut my sides. I prefer not to use a table saw, so saves you time, pretty quick. What I'm doing now is pre-drilling here on the sides so we can have a clean finish. Again, you can just do this in your garage, on your own. Pretty simple. I'm pre-drilling and then countersinking with screws. Right, so here's a little tip. If you come across and you measure, you don't like to get the angle measure in there, so what I do, easy fix. Pick a number. Let's go with 10. All right. Get across to the side. You got 24 5/8 at 10, 34 5/8. Here I'm just adding some Bondo to the edges around the countertop. Now just take a sander and knock everything down, make it smooth. Take a tath cloth, get all the fine particles out of the countertop. So I'm just putting a top coat. So now I'm adding a top coat, allows the epoxy to self-level. Hey guys, welcome back. So I went ahead and taped around the sides. What you also want to do, make sure she's level all the way around. Do that there. Some of the colors I'm deciding to use. Hey, so I decided to go with a earth tone countertop. I'm using metallic, copper metallic, black, Kona brown, high gloss, and silver. You can go with a white, but I decided to do silver. And then we're doing, it's only 10 square feet countertop. So I do 3 ounces per every square foot, 3 to 4 ounces. So we're gonna do a quart of each to get this done. And, all right, so make sure you get a bucket that has the measurements on the side. Do one part A. Then that's part A. Part B is the actual hardener. Mix it for about 2 minutes. I made a little bit of a mess. You can always use it as a top coat. Guys, spread this out. This will set your flow. So here I'm adding black paint, add a little definition, some cracks. You can take a heat gun or a torch to help the epoxy lay flat. So I decided to add some black overspray to kind of darken up the piece a bit. It was too bright for me. All right, guys, so this is what we're looking at right now. Okay, guys, so time to pull the tape. When you pull the tape, you want to pull away from the surface. Now you let the epoxy dry for about 2 to 3 hours after your final coat. I went a little too long, so I'm helping the epoxy run over the edge here. All right, guys. This is the finished product prior to sanding. So I'll sand it with some fine grit, so see the bottom, and then I'll put a top coat. That'll be video part 2. Again, thanks for watching, guys. Appreciate it. If you like it, subscribe. There she is. I'll put more conventional and affordable
like and subscribe
DIYs on here. Thanks.